Yes, today we will be doing what is called the word processor tables. So in word processor tables, we must be opening MS Word first. So with a type over here Word, if you press W, the Word 13 is opening, and you can see that first of all a blank document is there. So you click on the blank document. Once you click the blank document, it will open, and your first intention is to create a table. Press enter, and if you want to create a table, you must be knowing what is a table. So tables are like virtual spreadsheet that help us to organize information neatly into rows and columns. Or a table is nothing but a particular format of rows and columns. Yes, and to insert a table, we must go to the insert tab. This is the insert tab. So you click on insert, go to table, and you can insert the table from here by putting out the number of rows and number of columns. So if we are putting down, suppose 4 rows, so we make this as 4, and 5 columns you can do, or 4 rows we can reduce and make it 4. After this we can press OK. So your 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 4 rows have been made. Suppose over here you want to put DAYS. So if you want to put days, so you can put the caps lock on and put down DAYS. So you can write over here inside the table. This is how you put the data inside the table. That is in the first column. You write Monday, MONDAY, Monday. If you want to write Tuesday, TUESDAY. Now you want to write, suppose this is the time schedule. Suppose your class from 7 to 8. So 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So on Monday, suppose you want to do English, ENGLISH. So you write English, ENGLISH. So you can edit also. If something is wrong, you can edit also, ENGLISH. So once you write English, then on Tuesday you will learn maths, MATHS. You can write maths from 8 to 8 p.m. to, suppose you write 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So then at that time you want to study, suppose after English you want to do history, or you want to do computers, COMPUTERS. And after that, from 9 to 10, from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. you suppose you want to study I hope English, maths. Okay, MATHS, because maths should be followed every day, right? So you make maths, and again alternatively you can make this as English. You can put down over here Bengali also. Yes, BENGBEN. You can edit also GALI. So you can cut this from here like this. You can edit also BENGALI. Okay, or you can make this as history, HISTORY. So like this you can add, and you can also, you have inserted a table. So working with the table also I have done how to work with the table. Suppose you want to insert one row because you want to add more days. So how do you insert? You go to the insert and then so go to click inside the cell where you want to insert a row or a column. So in this case a row, and then you will click on the layout tab. So you find that you can either go over here and right click also over here. So if you right click, you can insert from here also, okay, and insert rows below. So rows below, so you can add, so you can make this as Wednesday, WEDNESDAY. So in this way you can add rows of a table. Okay, so you know how to do this. Even you can go to the layout tab from here and you can insert from here also. See, one row has been added. So like this you can add a row. You can delete a row also by going to the layout tab and you have to go to the delete option. So once you go to the delete option, you say delete rows. The row has been deleted. Okay, so like this you can prepare. So delete row, and column is also from the same way you do. You can apply borders and shadings by going to the design tab. So if you can do, you can go to the design tab. So this is the design tab, and from there you can apply borders. Yes, you can apply borders, but whatever border you want to choose, you have to go through it. You can use from here and you can do like this. Okay, so what happens, you are able to do the border like this. See, you can do the border like this. Done? Following? Understanding? So days also you can put a border over here. See, one click, one click, one click, the borders will come. See, one click, one click. Once this layout tab is done, design is there, and you want to border, so you can use the border. Okay, and you can use in any format as you wish. So design and then border. See, so you can click this, you can do this like this. Design, make sure that your pen color, see from here you can put down the color, black color, you have done the black color, and you can use the border style also from here. So you have chosen this border style, and now you are using the painter tool. Okay, and you can go to the design tab and you can do the shading from here also. You can shade also. Okay, so no need to shade now. Okay, so you can also do the borders like this, bottom border, top border, see, okay, and bright border, all borders, see, you can be able to do like this. Again you can go there, you can choose borders and you can make like this, left border, all borders, go here and do the same thing. So you can do borders from here too, and over here again you can go and click any one you want. Like this also you can do, like this you can do. So all the different ways I am showing. Okay, all the different ways I am showing. So you can do the borders in your own way and you will be able to do whatever. So it should be properly on top of the line. It should be properly on top of the line. Then only you will be doing to the border. See, if it is not on the line, your border will not be forming and you will miss your target. Okay, so this is the way on top. This is the way on top. Yes, and this one on top, this one on top, this one, see. So slowly and slowly you are arranging the borders. You are doing your borders in such a manner that all will be completed. So you have made the time. If you want to do PM, you want to edit the thing, you can edit, but you do like this. You can also do other formats also. So row I have done. I have also done the borders, and if you want you can do also the shading. So where you will get shading over here. So you shade like this. Wherever you are, you shade like this. See, you are selecting this, go to the shading and you can click there and make your shading. See how look how nice it looks. You can make it big. And see how bright it is. Okay, so this is how you apply the border and you shade and you understand what to do. So this is very marvelous, and you can name the table on top anything you like, that your study routine or anything you can mark on top over here, your timings. Okay, so whatever you do, you can make a note of it. So this is all for today. So let us try to do this in practicals nicely, and you too try to do it. Okay, so